Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome you in today's class. We were doing quadratic equations. We have solved some day-to-day life situations, problems which are coming in our life. With the help of quadratic equations, we are solving such problems. Let's take few more problems based on your quadratic equations. Question is, find two consecutive numbers. Find two consecutive numbers. Find two consecutive odd positive integers. Odd. Condition is odd positive integer. Odd positive integers. Sum of whose squares. Sum of whose square is 290, right? Sum of two consecutive odd integers, right? Next question, find the root of the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist using quadratic formula, using quadratic formula, right? 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Second, x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Third, 2x square minus 2 under root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So, Jaswinder ji, very good afternoon. So, here start doing the questions. Here the three parts. If roots exist, then you have to find the roots. Whereas the first question, two consecutive odd integers. Consecutive means if one number is 3, another should be 5. One is like 17, another is 19 plus 2. Let how to start the first question. Let one number is x. Let one positive integer. Then let the number is x. Another number is x plus 2. Right? If x is odd, then x plus 2 is the consecutive odd number. Okay. So according to question, the sum of two square, according to question, x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 290. So solve it. X square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 90. When we solve it, we will find the equation here. The equation is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 290. So when we solve the equation, we will find 2x square plus 4x minus of 286 is equal to 0. Now dividing by throughout the equation by 2, we get x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. Right? When we factorize, the equation, we have the equation that is x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. Now everyone factorize the equation, right? Or we can move ahead with the quadratic formula also, whatever possible way you can do. If you are using quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus of 2 plus minus under b square, that is plus 4ac. So it is here 4 3s are 12, 16 plus 1, 17, and 4 1s are 4, divided by 2a, right? So here it is x is equal to minus of 2 plus minus under root 476 upon 2a, right? So 476 upon 2a. So here 400, sorry, it is this way. The number here is 143. 143 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 1 4 16 1 17 1 4 5 72. It is 572 here, right? So what is the number here? So here the number is 576. 576, that is minus of 2 plus minus, that is 24 divided by 2. So when minus 2 is there, 22, we have the two values. One is minus of, when minus 2 plus 24 divided by 2, that is equal to 11, and another is minus 26 divided by 2 is equal to minus 13. So the roots for the quadratic equations, x is equal to 11 or minus of 13. But we are interested in the positive roots. The positive roots are 11 and 13. This is about this first question. Come to the second one. In second one, we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation if they exist, right? So first, the quadratic equation, that is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. The first one, the quadratic equation, first part, 3x square minus of 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. We will check the discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So discriminant will decide, that is minus of 5 whole square minus of 4a into c. This b is equal to 25 minus 24. So here it is what? 1. So discriminant is 1. When discriminant is 1, it means discriminant is greater than 0. So we have two real and distinct roots. Two real and distinct roots, right? We have two real and the distinct roots. And now we will find the roots. By quadratic formula, x is equal to minus of b minus 5 plus minus d. D is 1, root 1 is 1 only, 2a. A is 3. Right? So what is the number? That is 5 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 6. So here the quadratic roots for the first equation, one is x is equal to 1, 6 on 6, 1, and another is minus 2 by 3. These are the roots for the first equation. Similarly, we will check for the second equation. For the second equation, for the second equation, in the second equation, we have that is x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square especially in the first equation we will find the discriminant here. Discriminant is equal to 4 square minus 4a into c. So it is 16 minus of 20 minus of 4. When d is discriminant is less than 0. Here minus 4 is less than 0. So we are saying no real roots exist. Right? In case of second, we will say there are no real roots for the given equations. No real roots. No real roots for this quadratic equation. Right? And what are the imaginary roots? If the x can be here minus of b square. Minus of b is minus 4 plus minus under root minus 4 upon 2a. That is 2. Right? Whereas third one, d here, what is d? D is minus of 2 under root 2 plus minus, first the value of d, discriminant is b square, that is 8. 8 minus 4 into 2 into 1. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. When d is equal to 0, if d is equal to 0, then we have two equivalent, then we have two real and equal roots. We have two real and equal roots. Equal roots. Right? So what are the roots then? Roots are minus of under root 2 plus minus 0 upon 2. Right? 2a is again that is 2. What we have, that is both the roots, they are 2 under root 2 upon 4. Right? So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay. So we have under root 2 upon 2 upon under root 2 upon 2. These are the two equal roots for this quadratic equation. Right? Or here we can also multiply in this way. We can write these under root 2 upon 2 multiplied by under root 2 upon under root 2, right? So in this way, this will get cancelled. So both the roots are 1 by under root 2 and 1 by under root 2, right? The second equation is having roots 1 by under root 2 upon 1 by under root 2. Both are equal roots, and so here next question. One question is there, one important question. A motor boat whose speed is this question. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour, 18 km per hour in still water, and water takes 1 hour more, 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot, to the same spot, to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Find the speed of the stream. Of the stream. Find the speed of the stream. So here, I hope question is understood to you. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream, then to return downstream the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Right? So here we will start. Let the speed of the stream which we want to find, let the speed of the stream, right? Means the speed of the water with which it is moving is x kilometer per hour, right? So here, according to the question, what is distance upon speed? So here when water is flowing downwards, right? Water is flowing in the downward directions. When the boat is moving along the stream, then its speed is increased, and when the boat is moving in upward stream, then the speed of boat that is decreased. In still water it is given 18 km per hour, right? So according to question, so when the boat is moving upward stream, so then we have distance upon speed. One is 18 minus x, and in one it is 24 18 plus x. In downward speed, this is distance, this is the speed, the time taken, that is here the speed. In one case, when the boat is moving in downward directions, the time is taken by 24 upon x 18 plus x, and in upward stream 24 divided by 18 minus 6. So which time is greater? So obviously when the boat is moving in downward direction, time is taken less, right? So here we have, according to question, we have 24 divided by 18 minus x minus of 24 18 plus x is equal to 1. The difference in the timing is given, that the same spot 1 hour more. It takes 1 hour more to travel the same journey, okay, while upward and in the downward direction. So we will solve here. When we solve a minus b, a plus b, this is the LCM. So here we have, that is 18 square minus x square. Okay, 18 square minus x square, that is 324 minus of x square, right? And here we have 24 into 18 plus x, right? And here 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. So we will solve the equation further, and we will find that the equations so here we have the equation. The one is that x square 324 minus of x square, and here we have this minus term will get cancelled. 24 into 18 plus 24x, and here minus of 24 into 18, it will get cancelled, and minus will get plus 24 of x. This will get cancelled. We have the equation, that is 24x, that is 48x is equal to 324 minus of x square. Or we can write down here that x square plus 48x minus of 324 is equal to 0. So here we will apply the quadratic formula, that is minus of b plus minus d upon 2a. And we will find the values. A is here, a is 1, b is equal to 48, and c is equal to minus 324, right? So substituting the value, we will get minus of b. So here, what is the value of x? Minus of 48 plus minus b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is 48 square plus 48 square minus will get plus 1 1296, right, upon 2a. A is 1. So here the required answer, that is minus of plus minus 3600 upon 2, right? So the values here are, x is either 6 or minus 58. What is x? x is equal to 6 or minus 54. So speed cannot be minus. So the speed of the boat, sorry, speed of the stream is 6 kilometer per hour. Speed is 6 kilometer per hour. Right. So here this is about the question. Next one. If the sum of, one more question, the sum of the areas of two spheres, sum of the areas of two spheres is 468 meters square if the difference of their perimeter, if the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter. Find the side of, find the sides of two spheres. Find the sides of the two spheres. Find the sides of two spheres. Find the sides of two spheres. Right? So how to do the question? Here we have two spheres. One is a bigger sphere, one is a smaller sphere. And according to question, the difference of their perimeter. This is the important. If the difference of the perimeter is 24 meter, if we are taking this one side as x, right? So the bigger side must be, right, x by x. All sides are x. Then this all side must be 24 divided by 4, that is 6. This side is confirmed x plus 6. Because x plus 6, 6, 6, the difference will be 24. Right? This is the difference here. The difference of right, all sides, they all sides are x plus 6, x plus 6, x plus 6. So difference between their perimeter is 24 units. So I hope it is clear to you. If the side of smaller is x, then the bigger one is x plus 6. If you want to take this as x, then here this is x minus 6. So difference will remain same, 24 meters. Difference of their perimeter is 24 meters. So here, what is, so what we have here the questions, sum of the areas. Sum of the areas of sphere is 4. So according to question, solution here, in the solution we have that x square plus x plus 6 whole square is equal to 468. meter square. So here when we start, x square plus x square plus 12x plus 36 468, or twice of x square plus 12x minus of 400, when we subtract here, that is 2, right, and 432, or we can say x square 6x, 2 ones are 2, sorry, 2 twos are 4. Now we have the quadratic question, and we can apply here the quadratic formula, right? When we apply the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus of 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 4 is 6, 4 6 are 24, 4 ones are 4, 2, 6, and so it is what, 900 divided by 2. So the value of x is equal to minus of 6 plus minus root 900 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus of 6 plus minus 30 upon 2. So when here it means x is equal to 12. What is x? 12. So here 24 divided by, right, and one is that will be negative here, minus of 18, right, 36 divided by 2 is minus 18. So if one is x, therefore the side of square are, therefore the sides of the square are, if one is 12 plus 2, one is 18 meter, right, that is the answer. So I hope the question is very clear. Here we are starting moving with the perimeter. The difference in the perimeter is 24 meter. And question is, the sum of the areas of the two square is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of it. So what are the sides? One is 12 and another is bigger square is 18 plus 6. And so that the difference of their perimeter is how much? That is, difference of their perimeter is 24 meters. Similarly, we can take more questions. Take the case of A. The sum of the reciprocal of marriage. We have a note in the class test, question number 8. In the class test, the sum of Shefalis marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 more marks less in and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. Find her marks in two subjects. So what is the question? Question is, in a class test, sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English. In two subjects, the sum is given 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find the marks in two subjects. So here what we have, here we have the in the class test sum of the, so let in one subject let the score, let she the marks scored in maths or English, let the marks scored by her in maths is x. You want x is equal to x. Then in English is equal to 30 minus x. Now what they are saying according to question, if 2 marks more in mathematics, 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of how many marks? 3 marks less, that is 30 minus x minus of 3. Their product is what? The product of that is 210. Or you can write here, that is x plus 2 into 27 minus of x is equal to 210. So we will multiply here, that is x into 27 minus x plus 2 into 27 minus of x is equal to 210. Right? So here this implies that 27x minus x square plus 54 minus of 2x is equal to 210. So we will have a quadratic equation, right? So here we have 25x, what is minus of x square minus of 2x, right? And plus 54 minus of x square minus of 2x and this is minus of 2x plus 27x. So here is plus 25x. What is it? Plus 25x plus 25x, right? And plus 54 plus 54, or we can take it 54 that inside, 210 minus 54, or we can write down here there is x square minus 25x, and here it is left with plus 6 is there, 6 and 166, right? So here let me again 110 and 54, 6 here, and 156 is there, is equal to 0. So we will solve here the quadratic equation, that is x square minus 25x. So here what is the required number? X is minus of minus 25 plus minus b square 625 minus of 4ac, that is 6 4s are 24, 30 plus 2 32, and 4 1s are 4 is 7. So 156 into 4. So here 156 into 4, 624, right? Divided by 2. So here what is the value? X is x is equal to 25 plus 1 26 divided by 2, that is 1 is 13. So if x is 13, another is then minus 1, that is 12, right? If x is, when x is 13, finish maths, the score is 13, then English that is 17, right? And in another case, then it is minus of b minus of 1, 24, 25 minus 1, 24 1 to them is 1, 2 solutions are there, so 1 will be given, right? So this is all about today's class, right? So tomorrow again we'll see some problems from the topics, and next topic we will move ahead. So with this, thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy. God bless you all.